top 3 best installment loans to build credit. A lot of people think the best installment loan to build credit is the one with the biggest promise, the slickest app, or the fastest sign up, but that is usually not what decides whether it actually helps. The real difference shows up later, when the monthly payment starts repeating and the product either feels easy to keep or quietly becomes one more bill you regret opening. That is the hidden filter behind this ranking. The strongest option is not the one that sounds exciting on day one. It is the one that gives you the best chance to build steady payment history without adding too much friction, too many fees, or too much confusion. What actually matters? A real credit builder installment loan usually works the same basic way. The money is held for you. Instead of given to you up front, you make small payments over time, and when the term ends, you receive the funds back, usually minus interest and fees. That is why these products are often better judged by affordability, bureau reporting, and simplicity than by flashy marketing. And one more thing matters more than people expect: late payments can hurt the exact credit profile you are trying to improve. This is general info, not financial or legal advice, and the best product is usually the one you can comfortably keep paying all the way to the end. Third pick, MoneyLion Credit Builder Plus. Useful but pricey. MoneyLion makes the list because it offers a credit builder loan up to $1,000, no hard credit check, a 12-month repayment structure, and reporting to all 3 major credit bureaus. That gives it a strong practical case for someone who wants a more app-based experience with extra tracking and credit monitoring features built around the loan. The reason it lands here instead of higher is simple. The membership costs $19.99 per month, and the loan payment is separate from that. So while the feature set is attractive, the total monthly commitment can become heavier than it first appears, especially if your budget is already tight. Second pick, Credit Strong in style, stronger for long-term structure. Credit Strong moves up because its install product feels more like a deliberate installment credit builder, not just a bundle of extra tools. It starts at $28 per month, reports to all 3 bureaus, uses fixed monthly payments, and is designed to help you build savings while building installment history at the same time. What makes it stand out is the sense of structure. It can build up to 48 months of payment history, and Credit Strong also says there is no hard credit pull and no prepayment or early cancellation fee. The only reason it stops at number 2 is that the runway is longer, which can be great for consistency, but not always ideal if you want the simplest, lightest starting. First pick, Self Credit Builder account, the best overall balance. For most people, Self usually comes out ahead because it keeps the whole idea of a credit builder installment loan clear and manageable. Self says the account reports monthly payments to all 3 credit bureaus, holds the loan funds until the end, allows early payoff, and offers entry plans starting as low as $25 per month. That resolves the question we left open at the start. The best installment loan to build credit is rarely the one with the most noise around it. It is the one that makes on-time payments feel sustainable month after month. MoneyLion is appealing if you want extra app features. Credit Strong is excellent if you want a longer installment profile, but for the best mix of accessibility, reporting, and day-to-day realism, Self usually makes the strongest case. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, and I'll leave a video on screen that may be of interest to you. You can click it to watch. See you next time.